Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text align property. And right now, we will be discussing about the CSS text align left. CSS text align property is used to set the horizontal alignment of a text. So right now we are going to be setting the horizontal alignment of a text from the left side. So I'm going to show you how this works. Back to our document. As you can see right here, if you notice very well, our paragraph starts from the center and is filling up the document. How can we know how it is filling up? Is it jumping to the back or is it jumping to the right? So we are going to be testing that right now. So let's say for instance now, this is our let's select another element. Let's delete. I don't need this one right here. So and I don't need this one here also. So one thing I want to do right now is that I want to select our h1 tag. I'm selecting our h1 tag and I'm going to give it left. When I give it left, I will not give it anything yet. We haven't given it any align yet. So let's reload first. Now we haven't given anything align yet. As you can see, this is at it starts from the left. So let's now add just one element. Let's add one element to this h1 tag and see how it reacts to it. Let's say we add h1 element. We just add ww. Let me add just w, one single one w. Can you see it begin from the right? But in our previous tutorial, we discussed about the text align center. But right now we are talking about the text align left. Now let's comment out this text align left here. When you reload your document, can you see when I reload? Our document doesn't change position. So it definitely it begins from the left also. So when we add anything again, let's say we add W again, we save it, we reload. Can you see it still starts from it? Definitely you should know that this is the default value of our text. Definitely those people in Arab country, they can begin their text alignment from the right. But this I'm in Nigeria and I'm here in Nigeria and Yoruba. So the text alignment now starts from the left because we use English here and Yoruba we use different language, but we use English mostly right here. So right here now, as you can see, I'm using the English now. The English starts from the left side. So everything you write is going to continue from that left to the right. Can you see? So previously when we used the center, you're going to see the reaction that occurs there. Let me delete this first. When we reload, it starts from the center, right? Now let me add W. When I add W, when I go back to the document, let's reload and see what will happen. Can you see? It add another element to the right, but it shifts to the left a little bit. Let's add another one again so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see? It add to the right, but it shifts to the left. But I'm going to show you another thing again so that you can notice this. Let me place my cursor right here. Please study where my cursor is. So now I'm going to reload it now. Can you see? It add to the right and it add to the left. It adds some. So it's cutting the space, the distance between the left and right. It's controlling the padding, the left and right padding. It's controlling it together so that it's cutting it to do so that everything can be in one place. So definitely it's really at the center. So it is controlling the document so that it can be at the center by default. But right now we are talking about the left. So everything will start from left. So if you add anything to your document, it's going to be starting from the left. So this element also is also padding. The padding is shifting to the left, but because there's no any space again, that's why it is not going to move from the left right here. But if it is center, you are going to be seeing the center that is moving. So let's say for instance now we change it to center. When we save our document, we are going to see that this place also is going to be continuing moving. So until it reaches the end of the place where there is no any paragraph, where there is no any padding. So let's say for instance now we add more to it. We add one more. I'm going to place my cursor here by this T side now. You are going to see that it's going to shift to the left. Let's reload. Control R. Can you see? It shifts to the left. So that's how it's going to be shifting till you reach the end of this place. Now let me add a lot of things there so you can see what I'm talking about. I just want you guys to experience this. As a scientist, when you are working, you shouldn't talk without evidence. Can you see? This is working nice. As you can see, this reach this place, and the next one begin from the. So let me delete some of it so you can see what I'm talking about. I want you guys to see something very well before I go here. I like when I'm explaining and you guys understood me very well. Uh, there's no benefit in explaining something that you. And if you notice something right here now, because we had some spacings here, it quickly jumps to the next line. I don't want to add something. I just want you guys to see what I'm talking about. As you can see. So now let me add more so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's reload. Can you see now? So it when it reached this place, it is still continue. Let me add more. When I reload again, can you see? It still continue until you reach this place. So it's extending to the left and it's extending to the right. You understand? So when you now control it with your tab, with your space, with your margin, and with your padding, then you can see everything completely. Understand? So that's what I want you guys to know. So the left also works in that way also, but because when it's reached the left side right here, you know that there's no any space again. So it will just the left is just going to be counting to the right only. So that's why we are not going to be seeing the reflection of the left side. So that's what I want to show you guys. Please make sure you practice this, because practice make it perfect. So when I add more things to this one now, and I save my document, you're going to see all the left field. It filled to the right and it jumped to this place. So and the same thing works if you tab it. You're going to see what we have wrote so far. So as you can see, so that's what I want to show you guys. This is looking nice. You can do anything with this if you want. So this is what I have to show you now. This text aligned to the left now. And what akorede ayofe is my name. This is default. The text aligned left is the default. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye.